Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Barclays cardholder and need to cancel a payment in 2025, you're in the right spot. With banking apps evolving every year, I'll guide you through the process step by step to make it quick and hassle-free. Let's dive in. First, open your Barclays app or log into the website. Make sure it's updated to the 2025 version for the latest features and security. This is crucial to avoid any glitches. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transactions section. Here, you'll see a list of your upcoming and scheduled payments. Take a moment to locate the specific one you want to cancel. Next, select that payment from the list. Look for a Cancel or Edit button. Most modern apps make this easy. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Double-check the details to ensure you're not accidentally stopping the wrong payment. If you can't find the cancel option online, don't panic. Contact Barclays customer support directly. Use the chat feature in the app for a fast response, or call the number on the back of your card. Be ready with your account details for verification. They'll walk you through it. After canceling, keep an eye on your account for confirmation emails or notifications. This step ensures everything processed correctly and helps you avoid any unexpected fees. A quick pro tip: always try to cancel at least 24 hours before the payment is due to prevent processing issues. And if it's a recurring payment, like from a subscription service, cancel that at the source too to stop future charges. There you have it. That's how to cancel Barclays card payments in 2025. I hope this saves you time and stress. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.